So we were coming in for new jobs, and Cedar Lane was the first community that we visited, and we fell in love with it instantly. Probably about 6 or 7 months later, when we were deciding on a house, that was probably the first place that we wanted to check out because we loved it when we got there.
Hello, my name is Travis.
My name is Toya.
And we live in the Cedar Lane community.
We enjoyed the process a lot. We were fairly new to Norman, so it was kind of helpful for us to kind of get settled into a new space.
Yeah, we love the ability to have our own discretion on what type of countertops and just our rooms and just the different paints, and as well as the exterior. That was great.
But we were very meticulous about how we wanted it to look, and so I think every time I pull up to the house, or if we're walking in the neighborhood and walking up to our home, it stands out.
I would say our entryway, we customized it with some of our family value materials and things that we like, some like antiques, and so we just love coming in and seeing that and seeing the floor, and just you got those sight lines to our island, and there was a minor cosmetic issue, and we didn't even feel like it could be changed because it was so far out, and it was immediately they said, oh yeah, we'll definitely take care of that for you. So we were very appreciative of that and the professional care.